the life of Mia. Today we're gonna be trying some Mexican candy and Mexican food or snacks. So let's go. Okay, we went to the store and we got all of these snacks, and now it's time to try one. First, I want to try the Tito's. Pretty good. It almost tastes the same. 10. Well, the Mexican Cheeto Puffs, they taste the same as the other ones, but the Doritos made me a little thirsty, so let me just pop off this. Okay, now I'm gonna be trying to have meat too. I don't know what it's gonna feel. This one is a 5 out of 10. Okay, this is really one. So let me try it. 6 out of 10. Next is grapefruit. Okay, let's try it. Super bubbly. 9 out of 10. Okay, next is fruit punch. Bubbly. This one is 8 out of 10. Okay, the last one is pineapple. Okay, let's try it. So we're going to be trying this next. Very good. Now we're going to be trying the classic one. This. Very good. So I'm ready to a 9 out of 10. Next I'm gonna be trying these. I can't get them out. Oh. Oh, they're good. What? Okay, now we're gonna be trying this. Okay. Good. 9 out of 10. Next, we're gonna be trying this. Okay. What the heck happened? I don't want to. This is the last one. Let's put. Well, it's a 10 out of 10. Bye. Oh, this is the end of the video. Always believe in yourself and subscribe and like.
Tell me in the comments which one was your favorite. Bye.